depth, and then I'm going to notch. Now I'm going to take this to my pressing table to press this center front line because it's going to be very useful later on. So these two pieces of fabric you see right here is what I'm going to be using as the placket for the center front of this bobo dress. I'm just going to cut it to have a straight line on the top, and then I'm going to take the measurement of about 19 inches. So I'll just take my measurements from the top and I'll mark 19 inches and cut this out. After using this, I'm going to cut out the excess later on. So first, just cut out what will be enough for you to use for your placket, and it depends on how long you want the placket to be. So I'm cutting out 19 inches and I'm going to fuse in hard paper stay on the both of them. So now I'll take this to my pressing table to do that, and here I have done that. So after fusing with the hard paper stay, I went ahead to fold in ½ inch on both sides of this fabric. You can see what I have there. So measuring now, I have 1 inch, which means the whole wideness for this fabric is 3 inches. Now I'm going to bring back my dress and we will be dealing on the center front here. We'll be dealing on the opening of this center front. So I'm going to take the measurements for the opening, and first is to take out 3 inches from the neckline upwards. That is the 3 inches we cut out for our neck depth, and then I'll take this to my waistline. You know, according to our style inspiration, this placket stops before the waistline, but I'll be using the waistline measurement for mine, and it is 17 inches because that is the shoulder to waistline for this very dress. So I have marked down 17 inches. What I'm going to do is to open this dress wide like this. So there's a lot of folding and opening for this very bobo dress. So this gator line makes it very easy to tell where the center front is and how I'll be placing my placket on the center front. And the mark that I put down is to tell where my placket is going to stop. So you can see what I measured down. It is 17 inches, but first removing 3 inches from the neckline. So this is how my placket is going to be placed. So please watch this closely. See how I'm placing my placket with the open side facing my left hand side. Then I'm going to mark the sides of this placket to indicate my center point, then fold it in two and notch the center line of the placket. After that, I'm going to place it back. I just want you to see what I'm doing here. I'm going to place the center point of my placket on the center point of my dress. I'll take the other placket and face the open side opposite the first one. So I'll place it